Hi everyone, welcome to a Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last many videos I have uploaded in my Crack SAP channel. So please go and like it and watch the video and learn something new one. Now I'm going with the new customer line item clearing. So just I'm going with the line item clearing, how it line items is going to clear here. And let us start. FBL5UN, and this is my customer. Let customer to be one line item I have pick it. This one I'll take it 94 3000. Now this one I'll pay for him. I'll receive from the customer. So now I'm going with the F-28 here. F-28 receiving from the customer. Now date will be 31st October. My receipt account of incoming bank account, and what is the amount here? It's around 20,000. Now I'm going to receive only for the partial payment of rupees 12,000. Let it 8,000 to be in the balance itself. It's the customer which I'm going to take it. Now open line items. So here it is coming to 51 lakh 90 or something. Now only I have cleared to 12,000. So what I'll do is just I'll select all and deselect all. So automatically it comes to 0 and only 12,000 I need to adjust. What is my document number here? It's 900 last 00. So need to find here. Document number. Find. So this is my document number. How it is easy to find. See. Now I'm going with the partial payment. Click here to partial payment. Now just double click the amount. Now I have to pay only 12,000. If you manually put it or check it, double click here. So it will be 12,000 here. Now I'm going with the simulate, and this is credit to the customer and debit to the bank account. So now I'm going to save the document here. Now the document has been created 140000015. Now the same thing, I'll refresh the statement here. Once I refresh, this is the document has been generated for me against this document. Is the document, whereas I have created this document. So I hope you can see here it is 20,000 and 12,000. How come? I understand when I am clearing the next. So this is SAP will give us one more option that now I'm going with the one more partial payment. So one more partial payment. How do I understand how much amount I have received? This SAP will going to show you how much you have received from last. Now I'm going with the only 10,000. No, I have to go for 6,000. So let remain 2,000 will be outstanding. Just to select a customer here. Select a customer here and hit enter. Now all the, as usual, select all, deselect all, then you will get. See, if you see here, this is a document which was I have posted 20,000 against it 12,000 received. So many people are not able to see this partial payment paid amount in the screen. No worry about that. Just go to click in the addition option, and here it is an include a invoice reference. This is the field how to activate this one. If you click here, automatically this reference partial paid amount will be going to replace it. Once you activate and come out from the posting and then come inside, it will activate, or else it will be automatically. Now this is 12,000, 8,000 is remaining, 6,000 is only I have to pay, and go to partial payment. Now double click on that document here, or if you want you can double click here. This is also 20,000 invoice has been paid, or it is generated. Now I'm going to, this is an 8,000. Now 8,000 I have to, only 6,000 to be received from the customer. Now it will be 0. Now if it is 0, then only I can go for the simulation. Now it is a simulation of 6,000, and this is a 6,000 to the customer. Now I'll save here. The document has been saved. Now I go with the report. See, it is a 20,000 and 12,000. This is if I refresh here, automatically here it is a 6,000 and 20,000. So if I want to, what is my this bill? What is my bill outstanding here? You can also view here. Just you can take this copy and go for invoice reference and click here. See, this is what the 2,000 is outstanding. I hope everyone is understanding here. So this is 6,000 and 12,000 is against 20,000 we have received with the document number, sell bill document number 94. Now I'm going with the further payment of 2,000. Same thing, I have received 2,000 against the document, and now the customer name, open, select all as usual, deselect all, and this is C. This is 18,000. You can see this is 18,000. You can see here. So if I double click here, see it is an automatically 0 called, and it is in a standard. Don't go with the partial, go with the standard. No need to go with the partial. Now you are paying to the full amount. You're paying this one, and click here, simulate. Now see 18,000 first it is clearing. It means this both document has been clearing now, 12,000 and 6,000, and 20,000 is a full line item is going to clear because of here, which is a full line items are not cleared here because of still it is in a overdue amount. This is an overdue. This amount is still overdue because of full in the partial payment. There is the rule of SAP is that if it is a partial payment, the original invoice will not clearing till the full amount will be not received. So here, I hope everyone done this one. So now it is I paid is 2,000. It will clear the 20,000 and 18,000 and 2,000. Now I'm going to save here. 1400000017 was created, and this is my clearing document. Whereas if I see here, automatically if I refresh, see it was gone. Now because of I'm not able to see because of already it is gone from the due, and now I'm getting in the not cleared items. How can I go ahead with the cleared items? If you click here, or if you go to here, see, so it is all, even if I prefer you to go with the clearing line item because of your document is not having the clearing document. Now I'm going with the clearing document. No. Sorry. MPL 5M cleared, enter, and go with the clear document. Now it is clearing to the my document. Now it is comes to 0. So it is clear. 18,000, 20,000, 12,000 and 6,000, and 20,000 is my remaining. This is what the exactly SAP is updating me. I hope you enjoy my video and you understand how the partial account will be going to see and what is the reporting we will going to check. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll coming with the partial payment with the multiple accounting. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe and like it. Thank you.